Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 5th, Chapter 1, Roman Numerals, Part 2. Students, see what we have to do in question number 1. We have to observe this clock and we have to write down the answers below. Clear? So the first question, what time is shown in the first clock? Our first clock. So what time is shown in the first clock? See here, the small hand is in the small hand is on the 4 and the bigger hand is in 12. So what is the timing shown in this clock? That is 4 o'clock. Clear? Now second question. In the second clock, which symbol is used for 12? Now in the second clock, which symbol is used for 12? Can you tell me? Now see, the symbol used for 12 is, that is X and I. Clear? So this is the symbol used for 12. Now here see the third one. In the second clock, which symbol is used for 10? Now in the second clock, which symbol is used? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means for 10 we are using the symbol that is X. Clear? Understood, student? Question number 2. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Now here what we have to do? We have to write down the numbers 1 to 20 by using the Roman numerals. So let's write down the numbers 1 to 20 in Roman numerals. See 1. How you will write down 1 in Roman numerals? That is I. Clear? For 2 I you will write down. For 3 standing line means 3I. For 4, what you will write down? You will write down 1 I and V. So this is your 4. Clear, everyone? So whenever you are writing the I on the left hand side of your for your V, it means that you have to subtract. Then for 5, what you will write down? V. For 6, V and 1 I you will write down on the right hand side. So whenever you are writing the I on the right hand side of a V, it means that you are adding. Clear? Now 7, V and 2 I you have to write down. For 8, V and 3 I you have to write down. For 9, what you will write down? 1 I and X. Clear? Again, when we are writing the I on the left hand side of your X and V, means we have to subtract. Clear? X represents 10. So X minus 1 you will get 9. Clear? For 10 you have to write down X. Understood? For 11, X and I. For 12, X and 2I. For 13, X and 3I. And for 14, what you will write down? X. And how you will write down the symbol for 4? That way you have to write down. Clear? Then for 15, how you will write down? X. And for 5, what we are writing? We are writing that is V. So this is your 15. Then for 16, X. And how you will write down the symbol for 6? V and 1. Clear, everyone? Then for 17, how you will write down? X. And how you will write down the symbol for 7? That is 17. Clear? Now for 18, X and 8. The symbol of 8, it will become 18. For 19, 10 and symbol of 9. So it will become 19. And for 20, how many 10s are there in 22? So 2x you have to write down. Clear? Understood? Now see the third question. Write the following numbers using international numerals. Now the numbers are given in Roman numerals. You have to write down the international numbers. Clear? So see how you will write down. For 5, this symbol is for 5. So write down 5 in international numerals. Clear? Now next one is given, that is 13. this is x represents 10 and 3i means 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Now this represents what? V and 3i. So 5 plus 3, what you will get? You will get that is 8. Clear? Now fourth one, this is x is 10 and I is 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. Clear? Now 2x is given. 10 plus 10, you will get 20. Clear? Now 10 and this one is given the symbol of 6. So 10 plus 6, you will get 16. Then the symbol again is given of x and v. So x represents 10, v represents 5. So 10 plus 5, 15. Now here the 3 lines are given. So 1, 2, 3. Understood how you will write down, everyone, the Roman numerals and the international numerals? Now see the fourth question. Complete the following tables. Now you have to complete this table. Now see here the number is given in words. Clear? And the Roman numerals are given. Understood? So see what you have to do. Now here first one is given 15. So it is given in words. Clear? The number is given, that is 15 in words. And you have to write down the Roman numerals for that 15. So how you will going to write down? That is 10, clear, x represents what? 10 and what? V. So it will become 15. Understood everyone? Now 6 how you will write down? V and 1 I. So it is your 6. Clear? Now this one is given. The Roman numerals are given. You have to write down in number. Clear? So this represents what? X and 3i. So x represent 10. 1i represent 1. So 3i is given, means what? It is your 13. So here you have to write down the spelling of 13. Understood everyone? Now 19. So how you will write down in the Roman numerals 19? 10 and 9. So 19. Clear? 100. Now what is the symbol for 100? That is C. Understood? And this is what? The last one, 10 and 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So here you have to write down, that is 14. Understood how you will do this? Thank you.